Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making some stew peas with oxtail. Yes, you heard right. And here are the ingredients that I'll be using to season up my oxtail. So I've washed it already, and here I'm adding a little bit of salt, some of my all-purpose seasoning. I'll list that video down below, and then I'll be going in with some jerk seasoning, right? And here I'm going in with some blended seasoning also. So that's all I'll be adding on it, because as I said, I'll list my all-purpose seasoning down below. That has everything in it, like all the goodness, all the niceness. So you want to go ahead and just try to get all the seasoning all over it, and then I'm adding the rest of it because that's how I like to do it, right? I like to add some, rub it up, and then add the rest. Here is my peas. It has been soaking from overnight, a little more than 24 hours to be exact. So I'm pouring it in my pot and I'm going to cook it. Now the only reason why I'm doing it separate is because the peas, and I added some garlic, the peas is so soft, right? So I want the cookation of everything to be perfect. So yeah, I'm doing it separate from the oxtail. So here I added some brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar to a little bit of oil, and I'm caramelizing it because that's what I'm gonna use to brown my oxtail. So yeah, Vibes fam, I'm adding my oxtail, and look at juiciness and juiciness. So yeah, now we're going to turn them over. Look, Pam, pretty brown, like all the niceness. What a beautiful color. This is exactly what you are going for, right? If you do it this way. Otherwise, you can add your brown in and then go from there, right? You don't necessarily have to do it this way, but I likes it. I like doing it this way. So yeah, I'm gonna cover it for 10 minutes, and then this is it. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and stir it up, and then I'm gonna push it to the side, and I'm going to add some hot water to the bowl that I seasoned the oxtail in, getting all my seasoning, all my juices, right? And then I'm gonna pour it in there, right? You want to get the oxtail covered with hot water, not cold water. Use hot water. Here I'm adding some more hot water, and then I'm going to cover that for about an hour and a half. So here's my peas. I'm just checking on it. By the way, the peas took half an hour to cook. Half an hour. So that's why I didn't want to cook them together, right? So here I'm going to be making the dough for my spinners. So I added a little salt to my about half cup of flour, and I added some water. And yes, I'm using a spoon to knead my flour. That's how I like to do it, right? Less mess. And then after I get it together, then I normally go in with my hand, right? And then this is the end result. So yeah, set that aside. And here is my oxtail. And now I am combining everything. So the oxtail is cooked to exactly where I want it, right? And now I'm adding the peas. And Vibes fam, trust me, as I said, I do it this way because the peas was soaking for more than 24 hours, right? So it was soft, and yeah, it cooked very fast. So cover that for 10 minutes. So after the 10 minutes, I went ahead and I added my coconut milk, some thyme, green pepper and yellow pepper, bell peppers, red, some scallion, and some chopped garlic. And then now I'm mixing up everything, right? I want to get it all up and down and round and about in there. So yeah, Vibes fam. By the way, I was showing you guys the rest of the ingredients that I'll be using to finish up this the oxtail, but the stew peas oxtail, of course. But yeah, so now we're going to cover this for 20 minutes. Let's add some ground pimento powder and some crushed peppers. Right, crushed peppers. So yeah, Vibes fam, this is it after 20 minutes. So I give it a stir, tasted it, and it needed some more salt. So I'm adding some more salt. Give it another stir again. Look at niceness, looking so juicy-licious, juicy-licious. The peas is still presentable. And then now I'm going in with my spinners. So all I do, I break off a piece of the dough, put it between my hand and roll it, roll it, roll it. And then that's it. Just like that. Between my hand, that's it. Roll, 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 and dash it in. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm trying to not let the spoon really touch the dough. Right, so you want to go ahead and mix that up, and then we are going to give this 10 to 15 minutes, and then that is us, Vibes fam, just all done. So I mean, this smells so good too, by the way. Make sure you taste as you go along. Taste. So 10 to 15 minutes, and this is it. Add some black pepper, and then Vibes fam, look at it. Look at this marvelousness. Ooh, yes. Yes, Father. Yes, Jesus. Look at spinners. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Glory. Glory. Hallelujah. So yes, Vibes fam, here we have it, a delightful, lush, nice, thick, well fragrant, well tasty stew peas, right? With oxtail. Oh my goodness, look at that piece. By the way, if you have been watching my videos for a while, you know I love stew peas, one of my favorite, and I love oxtail. So combine both of them together. What is you talking about? Tell me what you're talking about. Look at deliciousness. Tell me this is not juicy. Tell me you don't want to taste it. It tastes so good, and not because me cook it. I promise. It is so good. Right, Vibes fam? Absolutely delicious. So thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, please. And join the Vibes fam. Thank you so much for watching. Go and follow me on Instagram. The link will be down below. God bless you.